Now, I want you to tell God. Tell him how you hate them. You really don't like the trees. Beg him, Father, take them away, I beg you please. Remove them, root stem, burn the branches with the leaves. I know you are a Christian, and I know you believe. I know you speak in tongues, and when it comes to passion, you pass that with ease. So if you ask him, we don't want oxygen, plus global warming and deforestation is environmentalist and a pet peeve. In machine, chop them, flowers and the Gumea trees. I want to see the views and they're blocking my days, absorbing the sun's rays. So bring the bulldozer, if you please. Flatten the bush. Don't allow them a reprieve. Send out the road gang, man, child and woman. Make way, clear down there. Hey, look at sugar apple. Don't leave that there. The flambeau, waterbush, oleander, they can't stay. So tell him, Father, I pray for a world without trees. Start in Carriacou. We'll show the rest the way. God, I know you hear me because I pray. All I have to do is ask and you'll answer me. Remove the trees. Oh, please.